Hello friends, how are you? Hope so you are well. So today's video title is that how to install PrestaShop with Softaculous from cPanel. So let's get started. First you must log in into your Webhospedaje.com account here with your registration email and password, or you can also use access with Google button to enter directly with your Gmail account, which must be the same with which you created your account. Now go to the cPanel. If you do not know that how to access cPanel, you can watch this video. It's linked in the description. So here first you scroll down and you can see software section here. So we have to click Softaculous Apps Installer. Now here we have to set PrestaShop. So click on PrestaShop and click on Install button. Choose your URL, enter your stored name and your admin folder name, and also write your email and password and first name and last name. After that simply we have to click on Install button. So your site have been installed successfully. Thanks for watching.